Japan is building AI infrastructure at a scale most countries can't imagine. I'm NTT Sarashina, Japan. Precision. NTT Global Data Centers, the world's third largest outside China, is doubling its capacity to 4 gigawatts. 34 projects running simultaneously. Done in 2 years. Microsoft just committed $10 billion to Japan between 2026 and 2029. AI infrastructure. Cybersecurity. 1 million engineers trained by 2030. NTT's generative AI, Tsuzumi, is now embedded across Japanese enterprise. Brain health monitoring. Physical AI. Robotics. Industrial automation. Japan is not building chatbots. Japan is building AI infrastructure for the next 50 years. NTT's revenue reached $91 billion this year. EBITA target, $25 billion by 2030. Japan moves carefully. Japan moves precisely. And Japan is moving fast. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Produced by Shawn Canfield and The Hidden Structure. Pure signal, no noise.